So this right here is one of those things that you don't really think about. Like, I didn't really think about it until I was told that it was a little unsightly, because there's a lot of equipment behind these privacy panels that I have up now. And it's true, it didn't look that great. These are the outdoor privacy screens, and the whole point of it is really quite simple. Hide stuff you don't want people looking at. I chose these specific ones, which are the Casaphoria 72 by 47 inch arched metal privacy screens in the brown color. Every yard has something: trash cans, pool equipment, AC units, maybe a pump system, or just random gear you'd rather not have sitting out in the open for everybody to behold. That's exactly what my situation here was, and there was the AC units and water softeners. I had this equipment just sitting off from our home theater in a shed, and I had people walk by here all the time, and it was not very sightly, to say the least. So this seemed like a pretty easy way to clean that whole mess up without doing a bunch of permanent installation that would be very costly. One thing I liked right away is how many different variations and colors there are to choose from. In fact, the link in the description, you'll see there's like 90 some different options. You're not stuck with just one look. There are different finishes and styles, so you can match whatever you've got going on the exterior of your property or house. Whether it's a darker color, a lighter tone, a different pattern, they've got so many to choose from. In fact, even some that have planting beds beneath them, so you should be able to find a style that you like. That actually matters more in this case, because once I have them installed here, it really becomes part of this space visually. So having all those choices made a big difference, because I chose something that would blend in seamlessly. Now, let's talk about assembly though, because I know a lot of people probably worry about putting these things together. And I'm not gonna lie, there was quite a few screws, nuts and bolts and stuff that I did have to put together. And when I opened the box, I did see all of this hardware, and it kind of felt a little bit overwhelming at first, but then I read the instructions. It was pretty straightforward, and even though I thought it was going to really eat up a good portion of my day, putting these three together really took no time at all. Obviously, I'm showing a lot of time-lapse footage here, but you know, you get the point. And you know, everything really lined up the way that it was supposed to and fit just perfectly, which makes a big difference when you're putting these things together. And talking about time, working through the steps and securing everything together, once I, got into the groove and the rhythm of figuring out what I needed and how to do it, it went really smoothly. And once they're all assembled and installed, it feels really solid, stable, sturdy, and they even provide anchors, two different type of anchors to secure them into, say, concrete or into dirt. And at the end of it, I just like how simple the solution is. You set it up, step back, and suddenly the stuff you didn't want to see no longer can really be seen. Now, they do have slits in them, and so you can see through them, but that's important for AC units and stuff. You need them to be able to breathe though. So I can still access the stuff that I want back there, but it's mostly cleaned up, mostly hidden, and that makes a huge difference in this space, I feel like. It really is a great way to hide those unsightly pieces of equipment that you might be thinking, man, this just doesn't fit my exterior decor or vibe at all. And the fact that you can get these for around $100 makes them a solid choice instead of spending a ton of money on fences or block walls and stuff. And don't forget, it is very important that you keep these type of slits for airflow in a situation like I have here, where I've got an AC unit right on the other side of these panels. So definitely want to keep that airflow moving. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like the look of this? Is this something that you would use in your yard? Let me know which ones you like best after clicking on the link in the description, and let me know, because I'd love to know what style you guys are into, because I think this is a really great solution, and it's something that makes me feel better about this side yard, so that now when guests come over to watch movies in my home theater that's inside this shed, yes, there's a full-blown home theater inside this shed. I've got a full video on how I built that. So go check out the link, check out all the variations, and pick yourself up some of these privacy screens that will instantly transform the space that you don't really like looking at very much.